Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change payment method on Omio. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type omio.com. It's going to take you right into the official website for Omio. Now, once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to change payment method on Omio. From this homepage, you're going to have to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile name. So click on your profile name and you have this extended options which include passenger details, your bookings, payment methods, notifications, refer a friend, and sign out. So go ahead and click on payment methods, and that's going to take you into the payment methods window where you can now find your payment method. As you can see, I have no payment method. And why is that? It's because I have not placed a booking on Omio. So here it says your chosen payment method will appear here as soon as your payment has been made. So how can your payments be made? It can be made simply when you place a booking. So let's say, for example, I head over to Omio, and from this Omio, here's where I'm going. I've added all these details and I just click on search. And after clicking on search, I find the flight, the train, or the bus, or whatever I want to use. And after doing that, just go ahead and click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to pay or to check out or to book. So say this is one, and I just click on that. This is the one I want to choose. It's going to take me to the next window. From this window, I'm going to select the kind of ticket that I want. Scroll the way down, click to go to passenger details, and take me to the next details where I'm going to add my passenger details. And then from there, the next step is to pay. So after adding the passenger details and I click on review journey details, it's going to take me right into the payments window. So you're going to see a category that says payment methods. Go ahead and add the payment methods. And after adding the payment methods, then just go through the previous steps that we took to change your payment method. So top right corner, head over to payment methods, then you will see your payment method. So in there, you can change it from there. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.